I guess she's not ready for bubbles. I have them anyways, just in case. Let's go check out this pot pot. Is that what it's called?
Pot pot?
Pot pot?
Putt putt.
Put.
Perfect. Is that good?
Drink it.
All right.
You smell it? This is mine. Yeah.
Wow, it's huge. There's the Golden Gate Bridge. We're here! And it smells so good. It smells like herbs and ocean. Oh, wow. Are you ready to see the Golden Bridge? The Golden Gate Bridge? Can you pause the... You're very cute. Want some cantaloupe?
I got my bacon.
Wow, it is so beautiful here. I know, I thought I was gonna have breakfast at the Golden Gate Bridge. It's gorgeous, and the water is amazing. And the mountains. I didn't even realize San Francisco had mountains.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Because all you ever see on TV is the downtown area.
Which is very beautiful.
They don't show you this.
And?
It's wet and cold.
So, if you will pull forward.
Oh, you want me to pull forward?
Yep, you go ahead and pull forward.
How far?
Oh, just look in the rearview mirror and I'll let you know. So that way I can get the nail on the aft side. And then I can just sit back there, plug it real quick, air it up.
So glad you saw it now.
Yeah.
Can you imagine we were just pulled out?
Well, I mean, it does look kind of funny.
It looks really flat. Oh no. There's always something. Last time we traveled, it was our tailgate ripping out our garage door.
So coming to California and leaving California.
And now we have a nail
This is...
in the tire. All right. I'll pull forward.
Stop! Bring it back. Good. All right, we'll just go ahead and put it in park for right now.
I did.
And we'll just block people. I guess they'll understand.
It is what it is. Well, at least you're prepared.
It's exactly why you have a Vire pump. So, this is my tire patch kit. Has everything in there you need to patch up your tire. Note to self, make sure you guys get something like this, something quick, easy to grab, because we didn't expect that this morning. And I think we have 20 minutes before we have to check out. So
Yeah. Oof. Oh my God. Don't let it all out. Oh, why are you making the hole bigger?
you got to prime it for this.
Oh.
Make sure there's nothing in it.
This one seems.
And that is the final.
Oh, those clamp thingies. They cut it off.
Diagonal cutters.
Yeah. Is that what they're called?
Yeah.
I call them clamp thingies.
So that should hold.
Should.
Yep. This is great if you just want to top it off a little bit. But Vire gives you this, where you can actually screw onto it.
Much better.
Should have known that.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Now we'll see if that was the only one.
What's so amazing is that we have the extension for the hose, so it reaches from the front of the truck all the way to the back of the trailer. And our trailer is 42 feet, so that's pretty cool. And it's really efficient. It didn't really, once you switch the different, what do you call it, adapters?
Yep.
Yeah, that's a lot quicker. I mean, it happened pretty fast. It looks like a tire again. Not like a melted cheese wheel.
A melted cheese wheel?
I'm hungry. Close.
Yeah, I would say this. Having the pump, definitely a good call because you never know when the stuff's going to happen. We were ready to leave. Next thing you know, I just do a quick tire pressure check and I got 20 in one and 80 in the other. So definitely great to do your walk-arounds. Always check your tires before you leave.
Yes.
If I had not checked that, it didn't look too bad. It kind of looked off, but I was actively inspecting it. Had we not inspected it, I think it would have been a disaster.
Yeah.
So
you would have filled it up and then not seen the nail, maybe.
yeah.
Yeah.
Don't expect to have screws in your tires, but
Yeah. And that was a screw, not a nail.
yeah,
That's even worse.
that was a screw.
Big one too.
You have Pringles?
Pringles.
All right.
No, mine.
So before we go, we gotta put the directions in. Where are we going? Do we know?
I don't know, honey. Where are we going?
I forgot. That has to be the one. So, directions start 3 hours 47. It's not bad.
3 hours and 47 minutes?
On the Google, let me put it in your
Did you just say on the Google?
Well, on the Google map.
It's on the Google.
Not the Google. Google map.
On the Google.
I'm gonna open this.
All right. So now we gotta put it in your, what is it called? RV trucker route thing on your phone, that app.
That brings up a whole different issue.
Yeah.
I'm just going to go out and just go off on a tangent here. We do not trust Google and we do not trust the trucker apps. Both of them have flaws. And what we are concerned about is that every time we use it, we're like, well, Google's saying go down a parking lot, so we're definitely not doing that. And then you go to the trucker map and it doesn't even know where you're going. So
Well, it sends you off the interstate to go some back roads, and you're like, why are we going on back roads? The interstate goes all the way to our destination.
yeah, and
So
coming to this location, what we found was Google says get on the interstate, go down 20 miles and get off. We said, okay, that's pretty ingenious. That's the way we want to go. And then the trucker app says, nope, get off the interstate and go down the back roads to get to the same place. So
Yeah.
immediately we're like,
why?
wait a minute, trucker app, you're fooling me here.
Yeah.
I'm going to trust Google. But then most of the time, rule number one, do not trust Google Maps.
No, not with a rig.
With a rig, do not do it. So we use both of them.
Yeah.
So if you're wondering why Pam's saying the Google, is because we pull our trucker map app and then
the
we pull
Google map.
the Google
And then we're just,
and we use both of them.
yeah.
And then we compare. That way, if we go down a wrong road and we get stuck, it's absolutely our fault.
Yeah.
We compare and analyze two different map systems to get to the best approach. So right now,
Exactly.
we haven't gone down any dirt roads.
And another thing that kind of makes it difficult is the trucker app. When you do CarPlay on your screen, it does not show up on the app screen for the vehicle. So that's why I like about Google Maps is that you can use it on your screen in your vehicle. And yeah, the truck map, it doesn't have that capability yet. Maybe one day.
Yeah, so what happens is we'll have Google on the Google Play and it'll be displayed on our screen. And then as we follow the trucker map, Google will often redirect and take that same route. So we can see the countdown, the miles,
exactly.
things like that. The trucker app, unless you have a mount on your dash and you're sitting there looking at it the whole time,
Yeah.
it's kind of cumbersome. So again, not recommended. We're not telling you to go get 2 different apps or 3 different apps and spend more time trying to decipher versus, go. But for us and the
both
kids,
are.
we're like, let's,
Do both.
we have a system.
We have a system.
We have a system.
Yeah, maybe we'll change to ways one day.
It's not a great system.
There's so many things out there to use, so.
There's better systems out there. We'll find it. We'll let you guys know.
Exactly. You can always recommend it. I'm super excited. Look at that view. I mean, this place is food for the soul. I'll be right back. I gotta go pay for a fire ring.
We're making a fire.
Yes, definitely. Yes. All right, perfect. It's a pull-through site.
If you want, I can also escort you.
Yay, local oranges. I love this place. I'm not leaving. We get a fire, beautiful, absolutely stunning views, and everybody is so nice here. So, sorry, honey, we're not leaving.
You never got oranges from any other part.
So the fire pit is a little odd. I don't know how we're gonna do this. And
Well, that's just a big fire bowl.
yeah, that's a bowl. You can put your soup in there. But you can't have any because it has all these holes inside. And also, what is that black stuff in there?
Is this your first time seeing this kind of fire ring?
Yes.
Do you like it?
No. It's odd.
Isn't that something? Look like a big wine glass.
We're doing that. Here are the keys. I'll be right back.
You going for a walk?
I'm going for a stroll.
I finally made it. I was in gymnastics and also we've been walking a lot. So
that means you can climb a tire.
yeah.
So all that hard work and training and preparation.
No, I'm talking about trees and ropes. I don't even know if I can climb a rope.
So you're a climbing master now.
Well, I wouldn't say master. I would just say I know how to climb. Rocky, move, move, Rocky, move. Do I just slide down?
Mm-hmm.
Do I just slide down?
Watch out for your sister.
Go. Tip it, go. Go.
I don't want to leave.
Do you, Mom?
Can we stay for a week?